May gusto maka-arte.
Ang endorser ng Sunsilk Utabog. Sino ka dyan? This is a represent of Hello Kitty Corporation. Every brand of her bags and case and pencil is Hello Kitty. This is called Hello Kitty Girl.
Hello Kitty.
This is Hello Kitty. Ano ko? Member ako ng Blackpink. Gian.